Shri Om Prabhu to all participants. Shri Om Param Prabhu, Paramaguru, Paramaguru, Paramaguru. First of all, I would like to thank to the Facebook staff and family members for providing me the live video opportunity every Monday. Today our topic is Supreme God lecture number 54 in English. Twice I'm very sorry because of the internet connection I had to repeat again and again. Very sorry for that. And particularly our topic is half lion and half man, which is called Narsimha incarnation or avatar. Who are the heroes in this avatar incarnation? Lord Brahma, Hiranyakashipu, Prahlada, and Lord Vishnu. What is the meaning of Narasimha? Nara means man, Singha means lion. Together the term means male lion, referring to a mixed creature, incarnation of Lord Vishnu. How many names of Narsimha? There are 7 names, only spellings are different. And other names are Agni Lochana, the one who has fiery eyes. Bhairava Dambara, the one who causes terror by roaring. Number 3, Karala, one who has a wide mouth and projecting teeth. Number 4, Hiranya Kashipu Dhomsa, the one who killed Hiranyakashipu. Nakhastra, the one for whom nails are his weapons. Singhavadana, the whose face is of lion. Mrigendra means king of animal, lion. Who gave the strong power to Hiranyakashipu? Lord Brahma himself had created Hiranyakashipu and promised that he could not be killed by the following condition. That means neither inside the doors, nor outside the doors, nor during the night, nor during the daytimes, nor on the earth, nor in the sky, nor by men, nor by beasts, nor by gods, nor by demons, or nor by snakes, or nor by any weapons. So Brahma promised Hiranyakashipu absolute power over the world. That is why Hiranyakashipu returned to the earth with happiness and began to roam about torturing the devotees of Lord Vishnu. In the entire kingdom, there was only one person who never cared what Hiranyakashipu said and was a great devotee of Lord Vishnu. Who is that person? His own son Prahlada. He was a small boy who was only 8 years old, but still had the understanding of right and wrong. He learned this lesson from his teacher at schools. He was from birth a devoted devotee of Lord Vishnu. Hiranyakashipu tried to threaten his son, don't love Lord Vishnu. But once in anger, he called out to his son, where is your Lord Vishnu? His son replied that Lord Vishnu dwelt in every movable and immovable things. That is why Hiranyakashipu kicked at a stone pillar close by and asked, "Is he here in the pillar?" Prahlad replied, "Yes, my Lord Vishnu is in the pillar. He is in all things." Then the pillar broke open and a monster as horrible as death appeared, neither man nor beast, in the shape of male lion, Narsingha. Lord Vishnu assumed the form of Narsingha, a half man, half lion creature. So he is neither a human being nor an animal. So he killed him on the doorstep. So it is neither inside the door nor outside the door. He killed him neither in the daytime nor in night times, the evening times. He put on his lap before he killed him, so it is neither on the earth nor in space or sky. He killed him with his fingernails of the lions, which is dead matters. So neither a living things nor an inanimate object. So this way, he kills in such a way, that Lord Brahma, whatever he got the power, but this technique he missed. Narsingha, neither men nor animals. What is the significance of Narsingha Jayanti? The time period in which Lord Narsingha had descended on earth to destroy the evil is considered to be highly auspicious. This time is considered to give many benefits if we observe a Narsingha Vrat. That means good health and prevention of health problem. It saves us from danger, evils and ghosts. It is great spiritual progress and salvation. It brings in siddhi and enlightenment. It helps in danger from enemy. It helps to get victory in court cases. It is great to obtain victory over enemies. It helps in spiritual motivation of children. It establishes ambitious income. It is great for family welfare and peace. It gains us success and prosperity in life. So many importance of Narsingha. It is important festival among the Hindus. It is celebrated on Vaisakh Chaturdashi, that is the 14th day of the Shukla Paksha. Now let's compare physiology comparison between our bodies and Narsingha Avatar. What is difference? So let's talk about, in the physiology, Narsingha is the diencephalons, diencephalons, which is the junction area between the brain and brain stems. The term diencephalon itself signifies between brain. It is neither fully the brain nor the brain stem, and in some way it is both. Diencephalon contains the thalamus and hypothalamus. Thalamus sits between the channel of the outer sensory inputs and the inner cerebral cortex, and processes and distributes the sensory and motor information going to the cerebral cortex. we have encountered the thalamus representing justice. Justice means nyaya, thalamus. Then what is thalamus? Then what is the meaning, what is the definition of justice? That's nyaya. In one word, the lamp at the door. That means distinguishing and deciding and balancing between specific and holistic. This means if our lamp at the door, then the judge neither take corruption from inside nor from outside. If not lamp at the door, inside the door can get corruptions, money from outside. If lamp outside the door can get money from inside the door. That is why the lamp should be at the door. That is called justice, thalamus. The thalamus has also been equated with the sun and a symbol of the king. Just like our sun. The sun is distributing light, heat everywhere and everything equally. There is no partialities. And we are not giving money. This is free of cost. The sun is distributing light. Here the thalamus is the lion head of Narasimha. Lion head of thalamus means. Traditionally, the lion is the symbol of the king. Then the diencephalon also contains the hypothalamus, which represents the human body of Narasimha, because the hypothalamus controls the autonomic nervous system, which controls the human body in a balanced, automatic way. It has secretion that peak at hours of transition between day and night. All of these values clearly show the quality of Narasimha. In the physiology, these structures also have the same shape of Narasimha. It is interesting that in the central nervous system, diencephalons appear to emerge from the spinal cord and brainstem, backside spinal cords, brainstem, which resemble the pillar of which Narasimha emerges. Our pillar means this our spinal cords. So this is the comparison physiology and Narasimha. Last times in Nepali I had given some good information about Nepal Ama. So today I want to repeat in English also. The good information about Nepal Ama. According to Paramaguru Sri Tirukuteswaranand Mahasamrat, Nepal's Ama is Alam Devi, which is in Syangja district of Nepal. Dress is just like a village woman. She wears and what we say in gunia or dhoti or cholo or patuka would say, doti patuka. And her legs, heels are not so clean. His hair is also not clean, dirty, but some management. Her ornaments are bulaki, marwadi, plastic bangles like this. So she is protecting Nepali and Nepal. Not only in Syangja, the other court, just like Garong court, Biruk court, Dhuruk court, like this court. There are so many courts. In every court, they establish the Alam Devi for the protection, for the security of the peoples. This is our traditions. Even today also, Not only this, our Alam Devi, Nepal Ama, she managed to look after as soon as our Parama Guru born up to 10 days on her lap. After that, Alam Devi also managed managed to marry a Parama Guru with Parama Guru Ama Shri Sarveshwari Nanda. I heard the government is opening the tender to construct the image of Nepal Ama. If anyone who construct or made wrong image against the original image will be punished by Alam Devi, Ama Alam Devi. Therefore, I humbly request to the contractor to consult the Parama Guru so that Nepal Ama's murti or image could be the original, because it is very much concerned with our security of Nepal and the security of Nepali peoples. Now, one important thing I would like to mention here, what is the need of incarnation of Parama Guru, of Supreme God, after 1000 years in purification in his generations? So in this context, I want to tell something. These are the demand of the Brahma. Brahma incarnation 9. If we include Dattatreya and Yajnavalkya. We have heard and we are reading, there are 24 incarnations of Lord Vishnu, but 10 we are in practice. And Mahesh, 19, or some literatures, 35 also. There are 25 incarnations of Mahakali and 25 incarnations of Mahalakshmi and 23 incarnations of Mahasaraswati. But in some literatures, 35 also. In India, in the southern side, there are 75 names of Mahasaraswati. So all goddess requested to manage the balance system in the multiple universe. Parama Guru is Nepali, born in Putan district of Nepal. Now, Parama Guru is in Swayambhu, Sakdol, Kathmandu. Then what is the contributions in the whole world after his incarnations? Let me talk. United States of America, Russia and China, they brought some stones from the moon. But our Nepal created the Amarlok for all Satyavadi peoples, truthful peoples. In this context, American citizen John Michael Bandarlini saw the Amarlok with the guidance of Parama Guru. Parama Guru Ama, Shri Sarveshwari Nanda and Shri Trikaladarshi Divyaputra also have seen the Amarlok. Shri Nityananda is also seeing under the guidance of Parama Guru. Other disciples are also seeing, but not clearly. The palace is built of gold in Amarloka. These are the things. So anyone who has doubt, the contribution of Nepal. Nepal is the powerhouse in the multiple universe. That's I mentioned about they brought only America, Russia, China brought only stone. Nepal created the, lok, Amar Lok, the planets. The planet exists just below the Paramdham, also can rotate nearby Earth also. It's movable. It's wonderful. Any one of you in the whole world, I suggest, I request, humbly request, if you have doubt, come and ask and realize, see with your own eyes. So this is my suggestions. So another contribution is protection of people and their properties during the great earthquake. Take the examples. Paramaguru talked with the Mother Earth before the earthquake. That is why Paramaguru managed to minimize these destructions, because the management is Saturday, that is holiday, 11:45, earthquake happens. That is why minimum 9,000 people died. Otherwise, if that day was not holiday, not Saturday, or in the night times, what will happen? You can imagine yourself. Another contribution is ozone layer. There was a hole in ozone layer. That is why Paramaguru, he took us 37 disciples, sadhak, in Jahar Pawa. We did meditations. Even American citizens, John Michael Bandalini was also there. He saw the very beautiful with sari Mother Earth. But he could not talk, but he saw. So this is the things. If your purity, your third eye is open, if you have purity, you can talk, you can see, not only Mother Earth, you can see the sun also, water also, air also. There is a, shape. Then other contribution is November 15, 2020, Lakshmi Puja. Under Paramaguru started, Paramaguru and Paramaguru Ama managed to worship Mother Earth to please, along with the Divya Putra, Trikaladarshi and 40 disciples, since 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. for the maintenance of the systems. This was the demand of Mother Earth to cure painful suffering due to atomic energy test inside the earth. So, we all disciples realized that we were confused, not able to stand properly, pain in the body, no peace, and suffering badly environment. But after 7 p.m., we all realized peaceful, no confused, no pain, happy. See, Mother Earth, why? Mother Earth became very happy due to the home of Paramaguru Ama, Divyaputra, and all disciples. This good work done for the security of the whole world, not only Nepal. Now anybody can observe the environment of the whole world. Since the Lakshmi Puja, all changes in the world is going on due to the incarnations of Paramaguru, of Supreme God. Therefore, credit goes to Paramaguru. We must thank him, Paramaguru. There are hundreds of contributions given by Paramaguru. I cannot say all. Later I will tell you, to all of you, the truth. in convenient times. Today, this much is for today. If any question, you are welcome. I will try my best to give answer. Thank you, Paramaguru. Sri Om Prabhu. Deepak Sapkota is watching. Thank you very much. Karishma Singh is watching. Thank you very much. Bharat Malla is watching. Thank you very much. Shanta Sai is watching. Thank you very much. No question for all those who are watching. Thank you very much. Finally, Supreme God bless happiness in our bodies, peace in our mind, and comfort in our soul. Sri Om Prabhu.